Good morning, guys. It is the 27th of November at 8:23 in the morning. Now, I'm just giving you a heads up. There is only 3 days left. Okay, so 3 days left until this fantastic offer ends, where you can get 10 guaranteed sales straight to your bank. Okay, so if you're gonna jump on this, I suggest that you come on board and you jump on it either in the next day or two, but don't leave it until it's too late, because that guaranteed sales, the 10 guaranteed sales, when coming up to the diamond level, ends on the 30th of November. Okay, so as from the 1st of December, it's going to be $997 to get the 10 guaranteed sales. Now, the diamond level Faceless Flipping gives you such a great AI engine to work with. They give you the ideas to put down to get the 10 prompts, to put it into the AI engine, to create you fantastic looking videos. And I'm going to show you exactly what type of videos I'm talking about. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see for yourself. Okay guys, like I've said, I'm just going to click onto my TikTok. So you're on the Christmas Nook, Ebsy Loves Christmas, and you can see these fantastic videos down below. So I'm going to click on the Star of the Week, just so, because it hasn't got any musics on there for copyright purposes, but I'm just showing you out of it, just to show you the type of video. So as you can see, look how great this video looks. And these videos look absolutely amazing. I would go ahead and click on any one of these, but you're more than welcome to come and have a look at the videos. You go to @the Christmas Nook, and what happens is that you can go and view the videos so you can see for yourself and then decide whether you want to come on to Diamond members. So as you can see, the Faceless Flipping Diamond members get all these videos created for them just via the AI engine that they give you in the back office. Now, when you come on the $27 membership, you've got a great tool there. They give you the app with all the pictures, and then as you become a diamond member, you get all the videos and extra pictures, VIP pictures. So is it worth it? Yes. You also get a star of the day as well, or star of the week, where they post a video and it goes absolutely viral, just like I've shown you in my previous videos. So if you want to come on board and get this amazing bit of software behind you so you can create your viral TikToks, then I suggest that you come and take a look and click the link below the video, and I'll see you on the other side.